Good day, everyone. We are working out January 2022 CSEC Mathematics Paper 2, number 3. And this is a geometry question. We have 5 quadrilaterals. We are asked to fill in the blanks and choose one quadrilateral from the box that best completes each statement. So first statement is something has no lines of symmetry and has rotational symmetry of order 1. The answer is trapezium. Okay, the trapezium might not have any lines of symmetry. Example, you can have one like this. All right, that has no lines of symmetry. Okay. What about, okay, part 2 is something has exactly 2 lines of symmetry and 4 right angles. So 2 lines of symmetry and 4 right angles. The answer is rectangle. Right, when you have your rectangle, this is it. 1 line of symmetry here, 1 line of symmetry here, and you have 4 right angles, the corners. If something has 1 line of symmetry but no rotational symmetry, that answer is the kite. All right, with 1 line of symmetry. All right, this is a kite, and you have 1 line of symmetry in this direction, right? Moving on, the diagram below shows 4 straight lines, 2 of which are parallel. So the parallel lines are indicated by the arrows going in the same direction. Determine the values of Q and R. Okay, so we have angles Q and R. And okay, so when we look at our diagram, we see that we have corresponding angles here. This has to be 54 degrees. I remember these are parallel. Okay, and this is a straight line, so Q would be 180, take away 54. Okay, so we go ahead and we do a subtraction. 180 take away 54 equals 126 degrees. All right, let us one R now. Okay, let's look at this vertically opposite angles. R has to be 54 degrees. Since these angles are vertically opposite angles. Give a geometrical reason why angle P is equal to 71 degrees. So angle P is 71 degrees because alternate angles are equal. These are called alternate angles. All right, when we have parallel lines cut by a transversal, we have alternate angles being created. So the reason is alternate angles are equal. The diagram below shows triangles X prime, Y prime, Z prime, and X double prime, Y double prime, Z double prime, drawn on a square grid. Right, so we have our square grid, and we are told triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime is the image of triangle XYZ after an enlargement of scale factor 2 with center 5, 1. So let's just label center 5, 1 as the center of enlargement. All right. Okay, so the scale factor is 2, which means the size of the object was doubled. So, all right, so the object is half the size of the image. So draw triangle XYZ, the object for triangle X prime, Y prime, Z prime on the grid above. All right, so we are moving half the distance in horizontally and vertically. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the left and 1, 2 units upward to get to Z prime. So we will move half of that, 1, 2, 3, 4 units, which is half of 8, and 1 unit upward, which should give Z. Also, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units up. So we will move 4 units across and 3 units up. All right, 1, 2, 3. That will give us our X. And then, all right, if now to get Y, We just find half of 2, okay, which is 1. So we have our y here. All right, and we take our ruler and draw straight lines, all right, to create our triangle. Okay, this is our object. This is the answer for part 1. All right, part 2, triangle x prime y prime z prime is mapped onto triangle x double prime y double prime z double prime by reflection in the line P. State the equation of the mirror line P. All right, okay, so we have to get a mirror line here. All right, have to get a mirror line here that's midway between y prime and y double prime. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we go 1, 2, 3 units, and we will draw a line. All right, going on here. Edit line. Right. So this is our mirror line here. All right, so the equation of the mirror line P. So the equation of the mirror line P is x is equal to 2. All right, so the distance from y prime to x, this mirror line is 1, 2, 3 units, and then 1, 2, 3 units to y double prime. Okay, and that's the answer for this question. Thanks for watching. Do have a good day.